Sarah,
Yes,
it's night.
I know.
Sleep.
I can't.
You can't? Again?
Every night, the same.
The same?
I close my eyes, nothing happens.
Nothing?
No sleep, just thinking.
Thinking about what?
Thinking about small things. Did I close the food? Is that the wind or wolf? Why did that bird look at me today?
A bird looked at you?
Yes, I don't trust that bird.
Sarah, that's not sleeping. That's your whole day again in your head.
I can't stop it. One thought brings another thought. Then it's morning.
Okay, what do you do before you sleep?
I think about my day.
All of it?
Yes, every small thing.
That's the problem.
What do you do?
Me? I close my eyes. I breathe. Slowly. And I think about nothing.
Nothing? That's impossible.
It's not easy, but it's not impossible.
Show me.
Like this. In and out.
Is it working?
You have to close both eyes.
Sorry. Okay. In and out. Adam,
Yes?
are the animals asleep now?
Sarah, that is not nothing.
I know, but I want to know.
Some animals sleep at night, some sleep in the day.
Which ones sleep in the day?
Sarah,
What?
you're doing it again.
Sorry. Okay, no more questions. Just breathing.
Just breathing.
Just breathing. Adam,
What?
thank you
For what?
for staying awake with me.
Someone has to count the stars with you.
I wasn't going to count the stars.
Okay, eyes closed, in and out.
Adam,
Sarah, good night.